this video, you will learn about how to add maintenance plans to vehicles to be scheduled, how to check maintenance plans, how to add maintenance plans to vehicles to be scheduled. Right-click on the vehicle you need to add or edit its maintenance plans. Click Maintenance button. A window will appear where you can add and view maintenance plans. From this window, you can select the type of needed maintenance and the type of period you like to get notified on. Start value is the current value of the period type, and it will be filled automatically when you choose a vehicle. It only appears when the period type is by mileage or by working hours. If period type is by mileage, start value will be the number of mileages of the vehicle at that moment. And if period type is by working hours, start value will be the number of working hours for the vehicle at that moment. Choose the maintenance due value, which is the value that the user will be notified on. You can set the cost for every section of the maintenance, and you can also set the period that the vehicles will be out of work during their maintenance. How to check maintenance plans? From Home menu, click on Maintenance button. Maintenance plans will be shown in the window. You can edit or filter them. In Calendar section, you can distribute the maintenance plans on their dates to be easily scheduled and to put future plans for the needed maintenance with its cost.